Hindi ka lang namin tuturuan kung paano magsimula na maging freelancer or mag-work from home. We will also make sure that you are interview and client ready. Hi, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto mo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. I have a question here from Chariza. Tinatanong niya if yung training daw ba namin ay may certification. And the answer is yes. However, it's a process. Yesterday, I received this compliment na ang audience ko, ang aking mga mentees ay matatalino, and I couldn't be any more prouder. Sabi is, yung mga audience ko daw ay handa na. Kumbaga sa nilaga ay malambot na. Handa na kayong maging freelancer, handa na kayong maging virtual assistant, handa na kayong mag-work from home because kayo ay matatalino. Don't just create contents. Hindi lang kami bastang nagpo-post. Ganon din sa pagtuturo namin sa mga classes namin. Hindi lang kami bastang masabi na, oh ayan, nag-take ka ng ganitong class. We make sure individually, yes, individual, chine-check namin ang progress ng kada isa sa mentees namin to make sure na, oh, okay ka ba? Kamusta yung naging training mo? Or after ng training, nag-i-internship na, meron ba kayong questions? Meron bang kailangan ng clarity dun sa internship? And then after that, hindi pa namin binibitawan ng mentees namin. Ang next step, isa-attend kayo ng application book. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply, saan mag-apply, anong ihahanda. And along with that, ipapakita namin kung ano yung mga kailangan yung ihanda for final activity, which is a requirement for the certification process. When we say certification process, you need to go through one-on-one or mock interview with me. So 2 parts siya. Tatanungin ko kayo ng mga typical interview questions, magpa-practice tayo. And yes, meron pong bumabagsak sa mock interview, pero hindi siya bagsak na hindi ka na pwede. No. Kailangang ulit-ulitin natin hanggang sa confident na yung team namin na handa ka nang mag-apply. Because I think one of the most common problems ng mga aspiring virtual assistants is yung lack of confidence, and we're trying to help you build that. What we do is, we give you this confidence. Nakita mo na ano bang pakiramdam habang ginagawa ko yung trabaho, and ano ba yung pakiramdam habang may client ako. Ano ba yung pakiramdam para makaland ako ng client? Ano yung mga kailangan kong ihanda before we even certify you? That's the certification process that we have. Now, if you guys are looking into or you want to start working from home na, you might want to check out our classes. We have a lot of open classes, and yung ibang classes namin, yung mga naka-close ngayon, we will have the dates sometime this week. We also have upcoming classes na i-open namin ng February and March. I believe meron ulit bagong class. A lot of our mentees, what they do is, instead of mag-enroll sila sa isang class lang, nag-enroll na sila sa top VIP. Comment nga kayo dito kung ano yung gusto nyong pag-usapan natin ng mas in-depth para masabi ko sa inyo kung ano yung matututunan nyo per class. If you guys are interested to join, i-click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko. Kapag hindi gumana yan, i-copy and i-paste nyo sa browser. Ganon din naman sa Instagram, i-click nyo lang to. If hindi gumana yung sa TikTok at saka yung sa Instagram, punta kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo tong video na to, makikita nyo na sa caption yung mismong link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. Para maiwasan yung nagtatanong ng how, ipinakita ko na rin dito. Pag-click nyo nung link sa bio ko, makikita nyo na tong page na to. I-ano nyo lang siya pataas, hanapin nyo sa may baba, open classes. So, eto yung lahat ng classes na ino-offer ng team namin. Also, yung makikita nyo sa taas na 1999, that's top VIP all access pass. So, kung hindi pa kayo sure kung ano talaga yung niche market or how to identify ano yung bagay na work sa inyo as freelancers, all you have to do is take the top VIP all access pass. Ito yung 1 year lahat ng classes namin. Even the incoming classes, pwede na kayong mag-join. Kung hindi kayo available for that particular day, makaka-receive pa rin kayo ng copy ng recording. And yes, you can still join internship. You can still join yung aming mock interview, and yung certification process ng top VIP is mas intense kasi mas marami silang kailangang gawin. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about the classes that we offer, i-comment nyo na lang siya dito. And again, if you feel that someone might benefit from this video, itag nyo sila dito, i-share nyo to sa kanila, because today moving forward, mas marami akong i-upload na videos, and I feel that I need to reach more people para mas marami ang tumalino. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!